Here we are, so you can see potential supercell. I mean, look at that. That is some crazy. Just make it wide, take a picture. I'm standing literally outside the house. I know, oh, it's starting to rain. That there could get heavy. To rain, I think. Yeah. That is a mad crap. Look at that. It's getting windy. Wow, look at that. Yeah, better come in. Yeah, I'm coming in. Whoa! That was right above. Oh yeah, it's getting windy. Oh, it's getting windy. Did you hear that, Mum? That thunder, it struck right above our heads. Let me show you the storm. Oh my god. Oh, that was a bloody good one. Got that on camera. I'm not sure if I got the flash. I might have done. Right there. Do my bloody door. Yes. Socks. There. There. Oh my god. It's starting to rain really hard. That was a bloody good lightning, that was. It's starting to rain hard. Oh. Look at that. Yes. Oh, it's gonna rain so hard. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Got quite a bit of it to go. It's absolutely hammering it down. As you can see, these cells. How many storms we've had in July. I think we've had, this is our second one in July. But yeah, 25th of July. Oh, there comes the rain again. Oh, 22 past and near sunset. Oh my god. Bloody hell, look at that. It's like be belting it down. Wow. That is amazing. Rain's absolutely torrential rain. Make sure I don't move the camera too quickly. Honestly thought I was gonna miss. Oh my god, the luck. Oh, 6.9 millimeters already. If we zoom over there, get a better view, capture lightning. I mean, the cloudscape was bloody amazing. Wow, it could hit rugby. Still raining quite hard. Now the rain's getting really hard, really hard again. I mean, at least we saw lightning, had one big bang of thunder. That was pretty good. red. Oh wait, you can see we had that. Wow. That was bloody lucky. Oh, bloody, I need to lock the radar. There we go. Locked. That was honestly a gamble. See, we've had that. That's very heavy. Very, very heavy. Oh, thunder. Not as good as the June, but still a thunderstorm. So yeah, that's pretty good. I think it's been a good good summer for thunderstorm. July's been meh, to be honest, not great. But yeah. When are we going to get a nighttime thunderstorm? That's a question. If you see lightning and I don't react, I'm probably looking at the rain and looking to my west. Yeah, the rain's slowing down. That was pretty decent. Wow. I mean, that was a bloody gamble. I could not tell where that storm was going. If you look at these, you can see those were going kind of northeast. I was like, is it going to miss? I can't tell. And then it went like that. It just about hit Leamington Spa. It probably did. I mean, half of Leamington Spa got hit, but I do believe it did hit Leamington Spa. I mean, you don't need to be in that. You don't need to be where I am to have thunder. You could be there and have thunder. Raining a bit heavier now. That was bloody lucky. That could have missed us so easily. But it didn't, so yeah. 8.1 millimeters is still accumulating. That's pretty decent. So yeah. Oh, never mind the rain. What's the rain again? There. That's pretty good actually. Okay, I'm going to try and find the rainfall rates. Let's have a look. back here. 7.2 millimeters at the moment. 8.1, that's pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, it's pretty decent. And yeah, goodbye.